Hello, it's Peter again. Welcome to another section on quick tips on Xero. Today's session I'm just going to show you some basic routines that you can do with your bank feeds once you get them into your Xero data file. First of all, if we just open up the business bank account, now most of your bank accounts should be set on the dashboard. It makes it easy, you don't have to go searching for them. Alright, now what you're now starting to see is the transactions on the left hand side which have come in from the bank account. Alright, we're going to ignore this bank balance and statement balance at the moment. We'll work on that in the next session. Alright, now the transactions on the left hand side are from your bank feeds, and we've got to do the allocations on the right hand side. Now first of all, where there's a green transaction, it tends to typically indicate that you've got a match with something already processed through the system. There's a sales invoice, a bill, or a payment, or something like that. Now you just have to go through and look to make sure it's valid. If it's okay, click OK. It's gone. One less reconciling item. And let's do that for another one. 4th of January, Trucks and Property Management. We see here we've got a payment here from Trucks and Property Management that's already been entered into Xero. Right, so we can click OK. Now, quite often we don't come up with a particular green area, but the good thing about Xero, it remembers previous transactions. Now, so we can see here this is a Ridgeway Banking Corporation, and it looks like bank fee, and it's correctly remembered where it went to last time. So we can just click OK. Now one of the things we're going to cover in a minute is bank rules. Right? And down the bottom here we've got another one from Gateway Motors, okay. One of the things I really wanted to show you today was how to set up a create rule, a bank rule, because quite often you'll get periodical payments go through your bank, like monthly bank fees, lease payments, everything like that. You don't want to have to be coding on the right hand side each month, so let's make our job easier. So for example, let's have a look down here and see what we can use as an example. Okay, let's have a look at this Swanston security here, 5955. Alright, let's assume for the purpose of this video that it's a regular payment, it's your security of your office or warehouse on a monthly basis. So up the top here we've got this create rule. So let's go and click on it. Waiting. Right, this is the basic screen of how we create the rule. And once we've done this once, right, we don't have to do it again. Each month when Swanston Security comes in, right, it's just going to come up with an OK button. We'll see that in a minute. Okay, so first of all, we know from the description on the bank statement that says Swanston Security. Instead of having it as equal, I like to use the word contain, because sometimes the bank adds extra characters and things like that, okay, on the bank statement. So I like to have it as contain. And number 2, Swanston Security. Right. Now, number 3 I don't normally use as much, but in case you want to allocate the cost against various account numbers. Today we're not going to do that, we're just going to keep it simple. And number 4, we're just going to do a pure 100% allocation to one account. We're just going to call this security. Right. The account number should be security, or we'll pick something strange for today anyway. What's a good, put it to, no, I won't put general expenses, I hate seeing general expenses. I'm just going to put this to rent. I know it's wrong, but for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to allocate it to rent. Reference will be set from the payee, which is what we had up above. Yes. And it's going to apply to the business bank account, and we're just going to give it a title. So we're going to save that now, and this should bring us back hopefully to the dashboard, into the bank account. Right, so let's have a look for that transaction as we go down the page. Right, so going down, Looking. There we go. See there, on the 9th of January, sponsor security. We don't have to fill in the who, the what, or the why, because we've already done that in the create rule. So I can just click on OK. Now next month, on the 9th of February, when this transaction comes up, this is what's going to happen, this little blue box, just like the 7-Eleven up above. So I can just click OK because I know I've said it right. So that's just saved me some time and effort and everything like that. So that's how easy it is to create a bankroll. That's all for today, and we'll chat soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.